Hello, my name is George Nenni with Generations Digital, and welcome to our Google Analytics 4 training series designed specifically for car dealers. Today we're going to learn about data streams and API secrets. So what is a data stream? What is an API secret? The way that Google Analytics 4 is designed is that all the data that comes into the system is all done through data streams. With GA4, you can have a data stream come from a website, which is most typical for car dealers, but you can also have data streams come from apps, either iOS apps or Android apps. Of course, for our purposes and for most dealers across the country, they're looking at a data stream for a website. API secrets, what is that? That is a alphanumeric code that you generate in GA4, and you provide that secret key to third-party providers, typically plug-in providers like messaging or digital retail or chat, any sort of plug-in tool for the dealership. They may need an API secret key in order to have their events fire and be trackable in GA4. So let's start off. Here we are. Actually, we're at the Generations Digital GA4. Yes, we do practice what we preach. We eat our own dog food, so to speak. And so for our Generations Digital website, this is going to be our example for the day. If you go in the admin menu, clicking on the gear in the lower left-hand corner, you'll be where I am. I'm already at the admin menu here. And we're going to go down to the data collection submenu, and we're going to choose data stream. This is pretty simple. When we come into this data stream, you should typically have one single data stream for your website property. Now, if you happen to have like an OEM website and you have a non-OEM website, maybe you have a couple websites, you might have two data streams feeding into here. We've seen lots of different configurations, but the most common, of course, is having one single website. It should give you that message saying it's receiving data in the past 48 hours. We'll click on that data stream, and now we can see more details. The measurement ID, this measurement ID is like the social security number for a GA4 property. It's a unique number that really identifies it. And of course, whenever you see the copy, the copy icon next to a metric, chances are you're going to use that. And so sure enough, whenever you're having any kind of troubleshooting problems with your website provider, when you email support at Dealer Inspire or dealer.com, typically they'll say, well, which website are we talking about and which GA4 property? So you'll need to give them that measurement ID. As I mentioned with third-party providers, and remember, for any third-party plugin for our website, we want to make sure that 100% of those tools are all trackable in Google Analytics, whether that be messaging, digital retail, service scheduling, even interactive spins on the VDP. All those things have to talk to GA4. And when you're asking your provider, they may ask you for not only your measurement ID, but also they may ask you for an API secret. We find that on the same page. So if you just scroll down, here it is, Measurement Protocol API Secrets. Google loves to give complicated names to simple concepts. This super complicated thing is really just a series of alphanumeric characters that you'll provide to your that you'll send to your plugin provider. So for instance, I've got to review some terms here. It's the first time I've done that. I'll say okay. And then we're off to the races. All we do is create the API secret. I'll make this up and say that I'm doing this for a car now chat maybe. So I'll put car now in there for that API secret. I'm just naming it a nickname, and I say create, and I'm done, right? I've got a copy icon here. I'll copy this big long string and I'll send that to CarNow or whoever I'm using, and then they'll be able to move ahead with the setup process. So thank you for watching this Google Analytics 4 training video. If you found this content helpful and want to learn more about Generations Digital and the reporting that we do for dealers, you can see our website at generationsdigital.com. If you'd like to learn more about Google Analytics 4 or digital marketing in general, Google Business Profiles, I have 3 books on Amazon that are very popular bestsellers. If you want to find those, just go to Amazon and just search for my name and you'll find those books. Please, if you like this video, please like the video and subscribe to our channel so you can continue to get additional content as I release it. But until next time, this is George Nenni from Generations Digital. Thank you.